Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about hybridizations, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. So friend, now time for discussions. What is hybridizations? This is our questions. This is very well topic in chemistry. So friend, hybridizations is the concept of mixing atomic orbitals into new hybrid orbitals with different energy shapes than the component atomic orbitals, suitable for the pairing of electrons to form chemical bonds in valence bond theory. You know the sp3, the types of hybridization: carbon atoms ground state, carbon atom first excited state, and carbon atom sp3 hybridized. So this is the picture of sp3 hybridizations. You can see sp3 hybridizations. Bonding in methane. You see, bonding in methane, carbon use sp3 hybridized orbital to form 4 covalent bond with hydrogen in methane. You can see here. In summary, sp3 hybridizations occurs when a carbon has 4 attached groups. sp3 hybrid orbital has 25% s character and 75% p character. The 4 sp3 hybrid point towards the corner of a tetrahedron at 109.28 degree to each other. Each sp3 hybrid orbital is involved in sigma bond formations. So formation of sigma bond. Hybrid orbital sp, sp2 or sp3. You see, formation of sigma bond. Now sp2 hybridizations, you can see here the situations of orbital. This is the formation of pi bond. You see sigma bond, and then remaining p orbital from sp or sp2. You see the formation of pi bond. Planar molecule, each carbon is trigonal planar with pi clots above and below the plane. Pi bond hinders free rotation about the carbon to carbon bond. In summary, sp2 hybridization occurs when a carbon has 3 attached groups. sp2 hybrid orbital has 33% s and 67% p character. The 3 sp2 hybrids point towards the corner of a triangle at 120 degree to each other. Each sp2 hybrid orbital is involved in a sigma bond formations, and the remaining p orbital forms the pi bond. A double bond as a sigma plus and pi bond. Bonding in ethene. Each carbon uses sp2 hybridized orbital to form 2 sigma bond with hydrogen and 1 sigma bond with other carbon. Pure p orbitals of carbon atoms pi bond. sp hybridizations. The bonding in acetylene. Each carbon atom in acetylene uses sp hybridized orbitals to form 2 sigma bonds with neighboring hydrogen and 1 carbon atom. 2 pure orbitals form 2 pi bond as shown. sp hybridizations. Hybridizations in ethine, you can see. Bonding in acetylene. In summary, sp hybridization occurs when a carbon has 2 attached groups. sp hybridized orbital has 50% s character and 50% p character. The 2 sp hybrid are oriented at the angles of 180 degree to each other. Each sp hybrid orbital is involved in a sigma bond formation, and the remaining 2 p orbitals form 2 pi bonds. A triple bonds 1 sigma plus 2 pi bonds. So bond formation for hybridization: single bond sigma bond end to end, double bond side to side sigma bond plus pi bond, triple bond sigma bond plus pi bond plus pi bond. How are the 2 pi bonds in the triple bond oriented? So what is the hybridization each carbon atom? You can see. So what is the hybridization in each carbon atom? So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.